2021 Dollar Tree DIY Craft Home Hack with MariaLovesArt. Thanks so much for joining me today. We are going to be giving this Dollar Tree sign a different look. I found this sign at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to give it an upgrade. So this Thankful and Blessed sign, I believe I have two. This one, I just wanted to do something different so it wouldn't look the same. I used acrylic paints. I'm going to use brown, black, white, and I'm going to use a brush also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to outline the edges. If you have seen one of these signs, you will see that it does have a tiny bit of an outline, but I just need a little bit more so it can really stand out. I do like the Thankful and Blessed lettering. It has some glitter and I'm going to go ahead and leave it that way. Try to find a brush that you are comfortable with. If you need to, you can switch it off with another one. I did leave the twine, so make sure you just paint around it. This was a very fast but relaxing project. I always enjoy watching the colors blend in with each other. I can't wait to see the end results. I am adding a little white now. You will see that I will be going back and forth and using different colors until I decide that it looks good enough. I am using a paper towel to wipe my brush in between. I am adding some black. You can see that the center of the pumpkin does have lines between Thankful and Blessed. I'm going to go ahead and leave that part alone because it looks great and I don't want to mess up the lettering. Adding black to it sure does make it look great. It's standing out more and I can just see that it just comes together nicely. I will be adding some little black curves and then I'm going to add some white. This is starting to look pretty good already, but I think I'm going to add a little bit more paint. I hope you have a lot of patience for this next part. So I am going to add some dots with the end of my brush. It is pretty flat. I'm going to apply a little bit of paint in between and then I am going to dab it. If the dot does not come out good, you can retry it and it will work. So once these dots started coming out great, I just couldn't stop. It was so much fun. I just kept on applying more dots over and over again. I just started thinking that they are looking so great. What if I mess it up? But no, it didn't happen. Everything came out great. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the raffia on the top and I'm going to add a little bit of a ribbon to this and make a tiny simple bow. You can pick any kind of ribbon you like. I just like this one because it looked fun. As I'm looking at this DIY project, I am thinking how great the pumpkin already looks. Now that it's dry with all the polka dots, it is so cute. I originally made it for Thanksgiving. I was trying to find some decorations and I couldn't find many left in the stores. But you know what? I think this would look great for Halloween also. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to try this simple craft. I hope y'all all had a fun Halloween. I know I did. I wish it was still Halloween time. This was us here in this picture. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you soon.